Charlie DIY here. We got a air inflator by Astro AI. You got like 5 different modes on here where you can go through for like automotive, for motorcycles, bicycles, like basketball, also for mattress. You got presets on here. This was at 36 originally with the preset for the automotive tire. We'll go ahead and put it at 35 and we'll apply it to the they're connected I bought right there. That's not included with this. It's pretty cool though, the quick disconnect. I'll leave that in the link. It also has, when you're on the roadside, it say it's nighttime or whatever, you got emergency flashing, and you got a steady white light or steady red light. That's very important if you're stranded on the side of the road. Even if you had to go walk somewhere, at least you have a flashlight with you. We'll go ahead and hook it up to the charging port and see how that works out. That'll take a little bit of time to charge it up. Now we got a full charge on it. Take it out to the car and plug it in with that quick disconnect. It goes from, we were at 26 pounds up to 35. I'd say it took maybe about 4 minutes or so, 3.5, 4 minutes. We'll fast forward to the end of it. It automatically shuts off. You don't have to worry about overinflating. Just don't forget to leave the tool on your car and drive away. But anyways, that's another story. Charlie D here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Take care.